What is good, YouTube? You tune into A1 Gaming TV. I'm bringing you an episode of Trucks Off-Road, I'm guessing. This was very unplanned turn of events. I was trying to record some Grand Theft Auto content on the new car dealership, and my Twitch was just tripping. But before we get into the video, make sure to hit that like button, comment on the video, and subscribe before we go through this tutorial, because I've never played this game before. I actually don't remember downloading it, but GTA, well, Twitch stream was just pretty much tripping. I'm trying to get a video up today, and I was going to my phone to wait a minute, Ken. That's a YouTube video, but it wasn't working, so I was gonna come to No Limits to play No Limits. And I seen this game, so let's get into it. Let's see what this is about. Let's say, welcome to Trucks Off-Road, the premium mud bogging pastime in the United States. If you play this game, comment down below. Like the video if you want more content. It looks like it's going to be pretty dope because we got Summit Racing in the background, Kicker Performance in the background. Mud bogging is an off-road motorsport where you drive your modified vehicle through pits of mud. And also, before we get to the next clip, somebody comment and be like they don't like how I be smacking a lot when I start talking. So if I pause, I'm trying to stop myself from smacking, because I was watching the Twitch video I just recorded on GTA, and I could hear myself smacking like I just did. Sorry, guys. So it say, first you'll need to find a truck to compete with. Pick a good one. It better be a Ford. Every 24 hours, new trucks are available here in the truck yard. Use the arrow buttons to view the other trucks on offer. Hit buy when you're ready to purchase a truck. Is this a Ford, y'all? I think this is a Ford. How much they want for it? So this $13,738. I kinda don't want nothing beat up, but they all beat up. This I know what this is. Well, then again, I don't know, cause the front end kinda looks the same. I thought this was like a Chevy square body. We gonna see. Like, I thought it was like a C10 or something. With that grill, this made me think it's a newer Ford. The body kind of giving Ram vibes. Well, I gotta start with a raggedy car, y'all. That's what I want to know. So all of it is 319 horsepower. This giving me Ford/Ram vibes. The grill is definitely Ford, but the cab, the body is giving Ram. I kind of want this because it's lifted the highest. Not sure what this is, but this looks like we gonna go with this. We gonna call it truck. They say your truck has seen better days. I'm sure it has, but it's able to compete. Let's get out there on the field. Yeehaw! Here you can see your personal best for each level and event. To change the selected level, hit the arrow buttons. I want max. We want it hard. In freestyle, you're pitted against the clock to rack up scores by pulling insane tricks and combos. Had to make sure my phone recording. We on 2%. Hopefully this actually save. No corners, just a mad sprint to the finish line. So I think that'll be actually dope, especially if we can do it online. Mud bogging, if you want to get real dirty, try mud bogging. Send your truck between the gates and in the biggest, baddest, and boggiest areas of each park. Let's enter the freestyle event. So we're going freestyle. Need a cash boost? Look for the money button in the garage. I'm not buying no money though. No, no, no. This game actually looked promising, y'all. So truck is in 12th place. I was trying to change the camera angle, but there we go. Oh, so we got first person. That's pretty dope. Just ran through that camper. I was trying to hit y'all. Ah, truck came in first. So this game seems very promising, y'all. We got a couple of truck. You know we got first place. I was gonna say something once we finished, but I forgot what it was. I noticed the game kind of was glitching a lot. I'm not sure if it's because my phone is pretty hot. But yeah, hopefully that's the tutorial, because that's probably gonna be my video if we can get it uploaded by 8 o'clock. But it say during events your truck is bound to get damaged. Damaged parts won't perform at their best, so be sure to keep your truck in tip-top condition. You can watch short ads to repair for free or pay $1,396 in cash straight away. Hit a repair button to repair truck. So we fixed the truck, y'all. The upgrade menu is where you'll want to deck out your truck. Buy truck will take you to the truck yard where trucks are available daily. If you want to fit some extra trucks in your garage, purchase an upgrade from the upgrade garage menu. Parts, of course, improve the performance of your vehicle. You'll be needing these if you want to become champion of the truck off-road. The panels category to the highest bidder. Okay. Truck is looking pretty overdue for an upgrade. Open the parts menu. And I noticed this truck is, I don't know what this truck is, so select radiator. I guess it's free. I'm actually finna skip through this, y'all, cause I'm tired of reading this stuff. Cause I already recorded a video for today, and I'm just trying to chill. Open crates for a chance to win cash or upgrade items for your truck. We going with number 3 on the third row. Don't know what that is. We going all number 3s. Okay, I guess they want us to open up everything. The rotate buttons allow you to spin the decal around, so I guess we just want a decal. I don't care about none of that. I'm gonna be like, man, I should've went through the tutorial, but we'll figure out as we go. Like, I'm literally tired of playing this game right now. Kind of tired of talking to myself. Yeah, we just gonna place it on the truck, and I think they're taking us back out there. I was actually finna we completed the tutorial, so there we go. So this is definitely a Ram body, but these headlights are definitely not Ram. But I was able to that's a Ram body, and it looked like a Ford. Like I said, the cab or the side was giving Ram, and it looked like a Ford up front. We gonna see what other trucks they got out here. I know some games may not have the license for the trucks, but at least Off-Road Outlaws make the trucks look like the real truck. So they got Ford up there. I didn't even notice that until Ford popped up. Well, I guess these trucks, even though this is giving a Jeep vibe, Jeep on the side, Hummer on the back. So you see up top it say Ford. If it'll load, cause I'm done, y'all. Done playing the game. At least I'm done recording. I played the game 20, y'all. So yeah, this like a Ford F100, F150. I'm not sure. Doing this truck don't have a badge. Pretty dope. I like this. Look like a little Toyota. Not sure what that is. Like another little Toyota. This a Ford. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. This a Bronco. We need this and let me bite my tongue, because we actually got this in Off-Road Outlaws, but I don't think we have this model. I think we have the older Bronco. But that's going to be the video for today, you guys. Unless y'all actually want to stick around, because this truck pretty badass. Unless y'all want to stick around and see what else they got in here, because I was probably finna keep looking after I ended the video. Because we got an F250, or is this a 350? You'll never know. But it's pretty dope, pretty dope. We know it's a Super Duty. Jeep, I think that was a Jeep. This another Super Duty, 1300 horsepower, 1400 horsepower. Kinda just wanted this to be a thumbnail. That's a nice truck. Kinda like a Nissan. I just really hope this video saved. If not, I'm not gonna have no video for today. Which, if I cannot, cause I'm not editing this video, which is in 20 minutes, I won't upload it. I think this is another Super Duty. That body on the cab is giving me Super Duty vibes, and it is a Ford, so I know my trucks, y'all. That's one thing, my trucks. So they got a handful selection of trucks. I think we know. Yep, that's the end of the road. They say new trucks or different trucks are added. We can check out the panels. We don't have a front bumper installed, which we may save this for another video. Cause like I say, y'all, this is already taking forever to load, and I'm tired of playing these games that's not loading. I think it's the bad weather around. We gotta click on the bumper. Oh, we gotta select it. Yeah. This definitely not a dog's round. Yeah, so I don't got time for this, y'all. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, comment on the video, and subscribe. We are out. Peace.